pick out the most effective words or expressions from the given options to fill in the blank to make the sentence meaningfully complete. The army chief dash the jawans to be vigilant in these difficult times. Option A, advised. Option B, exhorted. Option C, insisted. And option D, begged. If we look at option B, exhorted, it means strongly encouraged. Advised means suggested. Insisted means emphasized. Begged means request. So we see that the correct option and the best option in fact should be exhorted. Hence the answer option is B.